Buddy, today I'm going to be working on my 2012 Chevy Equinox. I've got a code reading P0011, and that is for the VVT intake valve. I'm going to be showing you how to replace that. It's a super easy process. Follow along. All right, so to start, you've got to remove your air intake. So there's a flathead, or I think it's an 8mm bolt there, and then also one right down here that you'll have to remove. Not remove, just loosen. And this will pull out. Then you've got your little hose over here that you'll just wiggle, and it'll just snap out and then pull up on your box. I didn't loosen mine enough. Pull up on that, and there's two grommets in the back that will just snap on. You'll move that out of the way. Then you've got to remove this cover. You'll take off your oil cap. And then here, here, and here, there's some other grommets holding that in. You just wiggle, pull up, wiggle, pull up, and it'll snap right out. Throw your oil cap back on just so you don't get any crap in there. And then here is your VVT valves. Here's the intake, and there's the exhaust. The intake is gray, the exhaust has a black. So the gray intake is gray here, the exhaust is black right there. That's how you know you don't mix these up. First thing you're going to want to do before you mess with any electrical is you're going to want to remove your negative battery terminal. That way you don't mess up your ECU at all. You'll pull up on this little tab, give her a pinch right in the middle, that pulls right off. And I'm going to be replacing mine with an OEM AC Delco. My recommendation from my experiences working on this vehicle is make sure you always use AC Delco brand, because I don't know what it is, but whenever I use an aftermarket part, it never seems to work for me. So there's a bolt right here, just one. It's 10mm. Take that out. And then you can just take your part, wiggle it around, it'll pull right up. I'm actually going to grab a paper towel because these do have oil on them, so I don't want to get oil anywhere. Just clean up your area, try not to get any crap down in that hole. Then you're just going to reverse that process. Take out your new parts. Convenient, it's got a little bolt in it already. It just seats right in. Now you don't want to really torque this down too much, just enough to hold it in. Get it nice and snug. Throw a little dielectric grease in there. Snap that clip back in. And you're all done. Throw your intake back on and you're all set. Super simple process. Please comment, like, subscribe if you found this helpful. Appreciate it. Have a good day.